I'm Jeff Schwartz, and here is the Schwartz Performance September shop update video. Let's go see what we got going on. This 54 Studebaker was a real basket case when it came in here. The floor and firewall had been cut out from just ahead of the rear bumper all the way up to the windshield wipers. And it had a chassis that was all crooked and cockeyed. It was a basket case. Anyway, last week the owner came in and drove this car down the road for the first time since the 80s. He had a grin from ear to ear. We're almost done with it. We pulled these trim pieces off here to have the polisher work on them one more time to get some little flaws out of there. And we got the interior all wrapped up. Come check this out. We finally got the forge line wheels for this Challenger project. They're at the tire shop now getting mounted. I should have them here probably tomorrow, but you'll have to wait till next month to see the wheels and tires, or maybe I'll show them on a reel. There's a lot of plumbing yet to be done on this Hellcat powered Olds Cutlass, and today we were working on the power steering hoses. Hopefully we'll see this one on the road real soon. The forge line wheels for this 66 Corvette came in record time. I'm not sure how that happened, but thank you, Forge Line. These also are at the tire shop getting mounted, and hopefully I'll have them tomorrow. Assembly continues on this project, and the star point was last Friday. The owner came in and we fired it up for him. This LED8 engine sounds really wicked with these side pipes. This 63 Impala SS was built 7 years ago, and the owners have been driving it thousands of miles. It developed a little bit of a pinion seal leak, so we're putting a new pinion seal in it, and we're going to upgrade to a carbon fiber drive shaft for much smoother operation at triple-digit highway speeds. This AMC Rebel's looking awesome with the steely wheels on there. We've got the LS engine in here and many of the AC components. We've still got a lot of work to do on it, and you'll see more progress next month. This is Josh Howe's El Camino. Josh and his dad Dan built this many years ago, and they've both been racing the heck out of it, doing autocross and road course events. Anyway, it needed some routine maintenance, so we got it in here. It's all fixed up and ready to go. Can't wait to see it out there ripping up the racetracks again. This is that restored 57 Chevy that we're putting the G-Machine chassis under it. The G-Machine chassis is under it, and we're just shimming the body mounts to get all the door gaps lined up right and doing the mini tubs on it. This 57 Ford, we've been working on the controls, namely the steering column, steering shaft, throttle pedal, etc. And we'll continue getting all that stuff dialed in. And the next step after fabrication obviously is paint and body work, but we still got a little bit of stuff to do on getting all the components in here. And we do have to fabricate an intake manifold to make this look like an old 312. So that's going to be a little bit of a project that we're going to get started on real soon. We finally got the missing component of the drivetrain, the Hellcat engine, in this all-wheel drive Challenger project. We are going to be doing a twin turbo system on here, and once we get the intake manifold that we're going to be using, we'll get on to fabbing the turbo system along with the other drivetrain components. This is the body for that '69 Ford Bronco project, and we've been doing some fitment of the body panels and the gaps, particularly in the hood where they fit the fenders. And we've also done some repairs to the original hardtop that we'll mount on here. So further progress, and we'll keep moving ahead on it. This is that real solid chassis that came out of the restored 57 Chevy convertible. It's got a motor and a trans in here and a disc brake conversion. Anyway, we're going to be selling this thing off, so if you need one of these for a restoration project, hit us up and we'll give you a killer deal on the whole rolling assembly. That's all we have for this month. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and check out next month's video. By the way, we've been doing short reels on Facebook and we've gotten over 4 million views the last couple months. Be sure and check that out too.